Think world travel is only for the rich? Think again. From tropical escapes to ancient cities, we're diving into the 10 most visited and budget-friendly destinations where your dollar stretches like magic. This is Travelpedia Guide, and today we're unlocking unforgettable trips that won't drain your wallet. Let's hit the road without breaking the bank. 1. Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok is the ultimate playground for budget travelers. Ride the famous tuk-tuks for just a few baht, visit the Grand Palace for under $15, and marvel at the reclining Buddha at Wat Po. At night, hit Khao San Road for live music, $1 pad thai, and drinks that cost less than a soda back home. Bonus, domestic flights to Thai islands like Krabi or Chiang Mai often cost under $20. 2. Istanbul, Turkey. Where Europe and Asia shake hands, literally. Istanbul lets you hop continents via a scenic ferry ride for less than $1. Wander through the Grand Bazaar with its thousands of shops, sip Turkish tea while watching the sunset over the Bosphorus, and dive into history at the Basilica Cistern. Plus, Turkish street food like simit, gözleme, and doner kebabs are cheap, filling, and delicious. 3. Bali, Indonesia. Bali is more than beaches. It's temples, volcanoes, and lush rice fields. Stay in a jungle guest house in Ubud for 10 nights, rent a scooter for $5 a day, and visit iconic spots like the Tagalalang Rice Terrace and Uluwatu Temple. Love yoga or surfing? Affordable classes and rentals are everywhere. And don't forget the endless warungs, local eateries, where a full meal costs under $3. 4. Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon is one of Europe's most charming capitals and one of its cheapest. Hop aboard the legendary Tram 28 for a scenic city tour under $2. Visit Belém Tower and Jeronimos Monastery with combo tickets under $10. Then catch the sunset at Miraduro da Senhora do Monte with a warm glass of Vinho Verde. Bonus, budget airlines make Lisbon a perfect Euro trip gateway. 5. Hanoi, Vietnam. Buzzing with scooters and street vendors, Hanoi is a sensory overload in the best way. Explore the Temple of Literature or watch the famous water puppet show for just a couple of bucks. Cruise Ha Long Bay on a budget overnight tour starting at $40. And the food? From egg coffee to spring rolls, you'll eat like royalty for under $10 a day. 6. Mexico City, Mexico. Mexico City is a cultural giant wrapped in color and chaos. Visit the Zocalo, Frida Kahlo's Casa Azul, and the ancient pyramids of Teotihuacan, all incredibly affordable. Street food like tacos al pastor, tamales, and churros cost less than $1 each. And with hostels and boutique stays under $20, you'll have plenty left for a mezcal tasting tour. 7. Prague, Czech Republic. Prague is a fairy tale come to life, with prices you won't believe. Stroll across Charles Bridge, watch the astronomical clock strike the hour, and tour Prague Castle, all for free or cheap. Local beer is world famous and can cost less than water in some places. Enjoy hearty Czech meals like goulash and dumplings without denting your budget. 8. Cairo, Egypt. Cairo is ancient, chaotic, and completely captivating. See the pyramids of Giza and the Sphinx for under $10, and explore the Egyptian Museum for just a few bucks more. Hop in a local microbus, bargain in Khan El Khalili Bazaar, and feast on falafel, koshari, and shawarma for pocket change. Egypt is a history lover's dream, on a budget. 9. Athens, Greece. The cradle of Western civilization doesn't have to cost you a fortune. Visit the Acropolis and Parthenon with a combo ticket that covers multiple sites. Explore hidden gems like Anaphiotica Village or the Temple of Hephaestus. Local eats like souvlaki and spanakopita go for $2-3, and many museums offer free entry days every month. 10. Budapest, Hungary. Budapest is where beauty, history, and affordability collide. Bathe in the legendary Sechenyi thermal baths for under $15, take a sunset cruise on the Danube for just a few dollars, and explore Buda Castle and Fisherman's Bastion for free. At night, grab cheap eats in the Jewish Quarter and party in ruined pubs that feel like underground worlds. See? The world is packed with incredible places that welcome travelers on any budget. Whether you're wandering through temples, soaking in hot springs, or feasting on street food, adventure is always within reach. Thanks for exploring with Travelpedia Guide, where the journey is rich, but the cost is low. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which budget paradise you want to visit first. Until next time, keep traveling smart and wildly.